Our core mission at Samp is to help the operators and engineering companies of large industrial facilities to transform 10 times faster. And the core of our approach to that is our solution called Shared Reality. And I think the name is pretty self-explanatory. The objective is for all the teams involved in the operations, inspection, maintenance, revamping, decommissioning of facilities can share the same reliable knowledge of facts about their facility, what's actually today on the field, and shared by all teams. So what we do is to provide this knowledge on a georeferenced basis, so you can access all your facilities directly from the globe, down to the individual nuts and bolts of your facilities. And the core of the knowledge we provide is to link all your technical data coming from your document management system, coming from your maintenance system, anchored in the reality of the field itself, because the only thing we trust at Samp is the field. And how do we do that? We start from a 3D capture of the facility, which represents the basis of the knowledge, and we aggregate all the information on top of the 3D. So you can retrieve the information in context, you can see all the discrepancies, and today we have built this fully embedded workflow to make sure that you can update your 3D in minutes. This, we believe, we know, is really a game changer for the industry, because that has been the main drawback of all the BIM initiatives, CAD model initiatives. The minute you build a CAD model of your facility, as soon as something changes, it's really difficult, and I'm still yet to find my first large operator to have a CAD model that's always up to date. I've never seen it in 25 years. So the only way to do it is really to make it as simple as possible with people from the field capturing the reality. And that's what we've just showed you, that today with Shared Reality, you can rescan locally, have your work first, do the job very simply in minutes, upload it, check the quality, and in literally less than 10 minutes, the LT10, your 3D is up to date and reflects what you have in the field. So everyone has a shared reality that is always up to date.